What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. I've been seeing a lot of hate about the Moto G6 and why it's not really a budget phone or why it should be cheaper than what it is and stuff like that. A lot of people say it's slow. You know, a lot of people saying that the phone is slow. A lot of people say it's laggy. Guys, you have to realize, what's the Snapdragon 400 series? Like, what is that? I mean, the G5 Plus it's not the G5. The US, I don't think ever got the G5. So you can expect the G6 versus the G6 Plus to be a total difference in performance, guys. I do not understand why the YouTubers or the tech industry is flipping out on just the G6. You need to be flipping out why did Moto skip out on the US with the G6 Plus. Okay, so there's a difference. I don't understand why we didn't even get the G5. Okay, maybe this is probably the reason why we didn't get the G5, because it was a different processor. But I'm not getting into that. It's gonna be a war. I already got people in the Hangouts and WhatsApp coming at me, man. Like, so the figure. Look, did you see the fingerprint? Anyways, I'm going to show you. This is a tutorial on how to make the G6 faster. Okay, what you want to do, guys? Anybody brand new just getting the G6 and start saying, "Well, the G6 is super slow. It's super laggy. Why is it so slow?" You guys got to do research. You got to understand what the Snapdragon 450 is versus the Snapdragon 600 versus the Snapdragon 800, 900, 10,000. What? You got to do your research. I am so sorry. But no, I'm not. I'm not sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm really not. But anyways, that's all you say. All right, you go into your, and what you want to do is you want to go to System. All right, you want to go to the About Me section. You want to go to About Phone. Then you see this thing called Build Number. You want to tap that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, then you put in your pen. I'm gonna put in my pen. Then you unlock what you have. Boom, the developer option. So you go back out and you get the developer option. This is in Android. Every Android smartphone has a developer option. All right, so you go in there. I'm on Android 8. Okay, Moto G6 has Android 8. All right, so these are all the hidden features in Android 8 with the developer options turned on. For memory, take, bug, report, desktop backup password. You got stay awake. You got enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop. My fault for that. You have OEM unlocking, allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Running services, picture code mode. Man, I'm going ham right now. Automatic system updates. Let's turn that on. We want automatic system updates. System UI demo mode. Quick settings developer tiles. How many people didn't even know about that? Let's turn all that on and see what that looks like. All right. We're gonna put that all in our quick settings. All right. Let's just turn it all on and see what that looks like. All right. Okay. You have USB debugging. You have revoke USB debugging authorizations. Bug report shortcut. Let's do that because I think I need it. Select mock location. I really don't need that. Enable view attribute inspection. Select debug app. Buffer size 256K per log buffer. Wireless display certification. Show options for wireless display certification. Enable Wi-Fi verb boost login. Aggressive Wi-Fi to mobile handover. Always allow Wi-Fi roam scans. Mobile data always active. Always keep mobile active even when Wi-Fi is active for fast network switching. I want to test that out when I get text now on Project 5. Disable absolute volume. Disables the Bluetooth absolute volume feature in case of volume issues with remote devices such acceptably loud volume or lack of control. Bluetooth AVRCP version, I really don't know what that is. Bluetooth audio codec, Bluetooth audio sample rate, Bluetooth audio bits, Bluetooth audio channel, Bluetooth audio LDAC, playback quality, show taps. Okay, just in case you're doing a video on screen recording. All right, show surface updates. Don't really have to do that. Now, here's the thing: how to make your Android device faster on any Android, including the Moto G6. Window animation scale. You want to scale that down to 0.5, 0.5x, 0.5x, and 0.5x. Now watch the difference, guys. Watch the difference. Watch the difference. Watch the difference. Want to see more? Here we go. Chrome. Look how fast it loaded up. Look how fast it loaded up. Watch the difference. Want to see camera? Now that's still a little slow. I mean, we're talking about the processor 450. All right. So you want to see Play Store? Want to see inbox? Want to see calendar? You want to see? Let's just go back in the settings. This is how you make your phone faster on any Android device. It's not necessarily Moto G6. Every phone is laggy. Every phone is laggy, man. It's just Android. It's just Android, period. It's not, it don't matter the processor. It don't matter the processor. It's just Android, period. Android, period. It's just, I don't know what to tell you all why people hating on the Moto G6, but I will do a review very, very soon. But I was showing you how to get your phone faster. Unlock the Android developer options, guys. Unlock it through settings. Go through settings. Go through about a system. Developer options. You tap on about phone. You go to the builder. You tap on it 7 times. Already developer. That's all you need, guys. That's all you need. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What issues are you having with the Moto G6? Okay, the only real issue I'm having with the Moto G6 is Google Assistant does not work. It will crash. Oh, now it's working. I guess because of the update. Oh, it's working now. All right, Google Assistant is now working on the Moto G6. I just needed the Google update. All right, guys. I hope this was very informative. And, you know, if you think I was bashing your video or anybody else's blog or whatever like that, you can take it as is. But I think I just fixed my own Moto G6, man. Full review coming soon. Holla at your boy, Two Phones. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.